Fellow Americans, we are at a critical juncture. The challenges ahead demand our immediate and unified action. Act. The world is watching. Gentlemen, the hour is critical. Mobilize all fleets and missile batteries immediately. Mr. President, all units are responding. Deployment in progress. Good. Activate the defenses and monitor the countdown. We strike. This is an official ultimatum. Iran must comply with international demands within 48 hours or face severe consequences. Military action is authorized if these terms are not met.
اضرب.
Batteries emerging. Systems green. Tubes loaded. Targets locked. Launcher pressure. The shelter! This way!
Hurry! Don't stop!
Almost there! Keep going!
Inside! Get inside!
Missile routes confirmed. Defense zones are stable. Soldiers, maintain formation. We are ready. Iran stands ready. Initiate the protocol. Sir, defenses are active and holding. Acknowledged. No surrender. We hold the line. Countdown complete. Systems remain unshaken.